get backend management account and login. For demo, we use the retail sector part. In the dashboard, we can check the following. Stores count can view the orders and revenue of each store on that day. Top store, top categories, top products can view the sales situation of the day. Today's sales income and today's gross profit can show the sales situation up to now. The number of abnormal orders on the day can be used to check whether there are any abnormal orders and whether they need to be processed. Store management. After purchasing the device, the salesperson will bind the device to this account. Store type management. You can add store types as needed to distinguish the types of goods sold by the device. If not needed, you can simply skip adding them without affecting usage. Add a new store and fill in the equipment information before it can be put into use. If there is an abnormality with the device and it is not possible to immediately repair it on site, you can click the Stop Sale button and the device will be unavailable for purchase. You can resume selling the device after it is repaired. Shelf management. Shelf management requires configuration of column information, including the number of rows and columns of the equipment and the type of column. Fill in the information based on the actual shelf information of the machine. Ensure that each column correctly identifies the delivery line. If all machines in a batch share the same column standards, you can save this column as a template. You can select this template directly during setup later, eliminating the need to repeatedly fill in the information for each machine. After configuring the goods channel, put the goods on the shelves to add products to the shelves. If you have a large number of products, you can filter by category on the left, or directly enter the product name to search. Once you find the product you want to add, simply drag it to the corresponding column, and the column will display the product image. Stock. How many pieces are currently on the machine? Max. How many pieces can be placed in the aisle at most? Limit. Only virtual items in the shopping bag can be used. Virtual items do not count towards the shopping cart purchase limit. Other items do not have a purchase limit. If the shelves of batch machines have the same goods, you can save this shelf as a template, and subsequent machines can apply the template to put the goods on the shelves with one click. Out-of-stock management. The out-of-stock quantity is calculated by subtracting the inventory from the aisle capacity without filtering the out-of-stock quantity for all machines in this account is displayed. If you only need to find specific machines, you can select the corresponding device and click Search. The list will automatically switch if needed. You can directly export the table for offline maintenance and replenishment. Commodity. Category management. Products can be classified into primary categories, main categories, and secondary categories, subcategories based on their attributes. The category distinction will be displayed in the terminal purchase interface. Product sort. This sorting will affect the order of products on the terminal interface. So if you have requirements for which products should be placed first or last, you can set this here. Add product. The goods sold need to be added to the system. Market Center. Add promotion. New promotions aren't activated immediately. You'll need to click Start Promotion in the action bar in the list to officially activate the promotion. You'll need to click Start Promotion in the action bar in the list to officially activate the promotion. If you need to pause or modify an activity, you can set it in the operation bar. Member Center. Voucher. Add a new voucher. Items marked with asterisk are required. Fill in the configuration details and select participating. Stores you can select, single or multiple. Once completed, add the coupon. Order detail. The order list is displayed in descending order of the most recent order. If there are any abnormalities with an order, you can manually refund it and the payment will be returned to the original account. You can search for orders by order number or keyword, or by date or store. Once you've selected your order, click Statistics to filter out the corresponding orders. Only orders from the last 3 months are retained and available for search. If necessary, you can export and save orders every month. Statistics. You can view sales statistics for a specific period of time. After selecting a time period, you can select a store or leave it unselected to default to all stores. Once selected, click the Statistics button to automatically generate statistics. Authorization. User management is used to manage operation and maintenance personnel. Operation and maintenance personnel can manage equipment through mobile official accounts, operate replenishment, manage equipment, and understand operational status. Payment configuration. We can integrate with the mainstream payment systems of most countries worldwide.